All right, so we're actually buying this house. Just finding out now about some of the stuff inside. There is a smell to it in here, but the space is still decent. If I remember right, this is about a 12 or 1300 square foot home. I don't expect it to be huge, but this is still very quite open. Looks like we got our raised bar here, but we do have granite, right? So we got granite countertops, cabinets themselves. Interesting, look at that. That's like a big old knot. I was looking for damage, but that's not damage. Just a few scratches, but kind of interesting. Not something you see every day, but nice big old sink in there and some stuff plugged in. Oh, we might have lights under here. That's probably not it. I don't even know how to turn this on. That's probably the disposal. Fair enough, right? Okay, little pantry there. A decent amount of cabinetry. That pantry, and you have all of this, which most people would consider this to be pantry. Okay, oh yeah. So there's a little bit of damage to the cabinetry down there. At least it's all the way at the bottom. They must have had dogs though, because actually I do see there's a little bit of damage here as well. Okay, so like you can tell it's a dog, right? All right, so dog kind of, a little bit of scratches. Okay, seems to be working fine. Closet, okay. Got a little fan, little micro fan. It's about this big. What? And then extra light over there. Okay, wonderful. Little dine in, eat in. This all works really well. I mean, obviously they went with like a, this is even a different texture, I think. Maybe not that bad, about the same as the rest. It's probably just the dark, the gray. All right, so just little coat closet here, and then probably 2 out of the 3 bedrooms here. All right, got bedroom 1, standard size. Very interesting choice of ceiling fan and lights. Everything has a little unique look to it, and then interesting colors as well, right? This is a perfect example of, right, someone gets a house given to them, right? This was a probate situation, and it's okay, people though, they choose their colors, and people think, does it really matter what color you use? Yeah, I mean, look at the brown here. You have the other color in the other room, right? That was like a green. It all adds up. Look, even the bathroom is another color. They loved a whole lot of color. Now this cabinetry, older, you can see here, that style. Now what I'd probably do is this one might be worth refinishing, right? Because it would instantly look better if you just painted the whole thing white. At least a lot more updated. Could change out some of these super old fixtures. That wouldn't cost very much. And it looks like one other little linen closet on the side. So on our way out too, so the laundry room is right over here that you just stack them right there. That's that side of the house. Let's take a look. The master, pretty much the primary, should be on this side. So here we go. As you can see, like light switch cover there. Quite a few holes, so probably had different things mounted. I would say TV, but there's no outlets up there, but maybe they brought them down from below. Just lots of stuff hanging. In my opinion, if I was a real estate agent, I would have been like, hey, let's get a handyman in there. Because how easy would it be just to knock all that stuff out, take out things, patch the walls. But at the end of the day, sometimes people just don't want to spend any money. I mean, because in a perfect world, you would have done that and then just gave it a fresh coat of paint. Fresh coat of paint, carpet, keep the tile. That wouldn't have cost you a lot of money, and this thing will show like way better. Is this a different color? Is that just worn? That's just worn. So same exact color here. Let alone some of those dog scrapes. I mean, maybe not in the cabinetry, but on other parts of the house, you can get all that cleaned up. Okay, so we do have single vanity, do have the space for a double vanity if you wanted to like upgrade the home. You got your closet here. Not massive, but still a walk-in closet, right? And then we do have a completely upgraded shower. Pretty nice. Maybe not the colors and stuff that everyone would use, but definitely everyone would feel like this is a nice upgraded shower, right? You got the whole glass. I like it. Feels nice. So real interesting, some of the things that people choose to upgrade and don't choose to upgrade. So this house we're buying subject to. So there's already an existing loan on this house, right? The family member passed away. Now we're gonna buy this house. We're gonna take over the existing loan. We're not gonna pay it off, and we're gonna buy it subject to. That's what that means. Okay, we're gonna take it over. We're gonna pay the closing costs. An agent, a real estate agent, tried to help this seller sell the house, they couldn't. It was just on the market. Whether it be a combination of the condition, price too high, there's lots of reasons, right? But that agent was fired. And so I got the call back, hey, can you please help me? We need to sell this ASAP. Sure enough, yes, I can. They weren't gonna really make any money. So at the end of the day, they said, we don't care if we make money. We just need this house sold. We don't want to keep making the payments. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're buying the house subject to taking over the existing loan. I'm paying the closing costs, and that's it. So I might be in $2,500 to actually buy this house in Gilbert, Arizona, 1,300 something square feet, I believe. Pretty amazing. Now, if I choose to paint and change out carpet, I might spend $5,000-6,000 just kind of getting it all good to go. But still, can you beat under $10,000 to get a house in Gilbert, Arizona? I don't think so. This is like a 5% interest rate, which you can't get today either. I still gotta look outside. All right, so not much to it. I do look over here. It's on these type of homes, right? All the newer ones, they're split units, so they're not on the roof. This is a new enough home that it's split. It's a train unit, it's quiet. I actually believe this is not even that old. Yard size is pretty good. Look how big these trees are. These trees are massive. I think that's pretty cool, especially at certain times of the year when the sun's more over here. You're gonna get, as it's setting, you're gonna get some decent shade back here. Also, you can see like there's supposed to be grass in here, right? All dying, but still, you could probably just start watering this, and I think this would probably come back because it's probably just a Bermuda grass. And then you got the trees back here. Because what you do have over that fence, right, is the high school. There is a train that kind of comes through there as well. So we're backed up to the train. So actually, small extra tidbit information. I used to live on the other side of the train, not exactly where the high school is, and down. It was actually the very first house that I bought back when I was 22 years old. Hop, skip, and a jump away. So yeah, sometimes you live by a train. But you have to take that stuff into account when you're trying to decide if you're gonna buy a house, because on resale, people are gonna think about that too, okay? Now I see a shed over there in the corner, another shed here, and like my guess is this was the dog house right here, right? Size of that fits about right. And let me just take a quick look around the corner. Remember, I haven't been here before, right? So this is kind of cool. You got the big old RV gate on this side, right? So you'll get lots of storage here in the shed. There's a little bit of concrete down there so you can keep the trash cans close by, which is nice, but anyone that wants a trailer, right, or RV, you got plenty of space to park it. So I think this is a good find for us. I think under $10,000 or especially $2,500 to buy a house, that's crazy. So every time you walk in this house, your eyes might start watering a little bit. They definitely got to find out why it smells so bad. It's probably, unfortunately, just animals and carpet, and so we'll have to get the filters changed out, and those carpet definitely will have to be changed out. So at the end of the day, this is a win. This is our latest purchase that we're probably buying this next week. We're under contract right now. So thanks for hanging out. See you on the next one.